Hello, J&M Reviews here. And today I would like to review this free sample provided by Aura's Amazing Herbal. And I just love the brand. I love the ingredients, very clean. I like what it is, the body oil, the body powder, clean scent. So I like the powder because even after putting deodorant, if I feel so much better and so much fresh to put this on my armpits or my feet, especially if I'm going to work out or it's hot outside and I want to keep feeling fresh. So all I have to do is put this in and rub it, and it smells amazing. It does make you feel like you're more fresh. Uh, I don't know. I just enjoy this powder so much, and it's naturally deodorizing, and it doesn't have synthetics or anything like that. I love the clean ingredients. So also after taking a shower with damp skin, I like to put just a few drops of this, as you can see here, and I just put it all over my body. And what this is going to do is going to moisturize. This is how it looks. You can also put it with spray, and smells like eucalyptus, smells like spearmint. It smells very good. So this is going to moisturize your skin. It has clean ingredients. I like the smell. And also you can also use it on your face. Besides the shower, use it on your face, your whole body, and just enjoy the clean scent. They have other scents. I hope you check it out. This pack of two is great, even if you're traveling or if you just want to moisturize your skin after taking a shower. I recommend it and I hope you try it. Thank you for watching.